Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel for me to share my latest engine design with you. This started out as a Corliss valve engine project, however I soon ran into difficulties using plastic parts that did not have enough weight in them for the scale required. Progressed then to using ball bearing valve design, whereby I could adjust the valve action to be as close to the Corliss principle as possible. This took quite a bit of time experimenting with lever and throw lengths, together with valve opening timings to get the engine to work correctly. I am aware that I have not seen an engine using this type of valve system before, so I've named it an adder engine, being, I think, one of a kind. I hope you enjoy watching it running. It was quite a challenge. Click to follow my channel for more engine ideas in the future. Bye for now.